Planning a camping trip this summer? Here are 10 essential hacks to make your adventure smooth and enjoyable. Keep bugs at bay with natural repellents like citronella candles or essential oils. These eco-friendly options will help you enjoy a bug-free evening. Forgot a lantern? No problem. Strap a headlamp around a water jug to create a glowing lantern that lights up your entire tent. Save time by pre-making your meals at home. Store them in resealable bags for easy packing and quick cooking at the campsite. Cover tent stakes with pool noodles to prevent tripping and protect your feet from sharp edges. Start your campfire easily with cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly. They're lightweight, easy to pack, and burn long enough to get your fire going. Keep your devices charged with a solar-powered charger. It's perfect for off-grid camping and ensures you stay connected if needed. Beat the heat with a DIY air conditioner. Simply place a portable fan over a cooler filled with ice to create a refreshing breeze. Maintain hygiene with a portable hand-washing station. Use a large water jug with a spout and a bar of soap for easy access. Stay organized by packing your gear in clear plastic bins. You'll easily find what you need without rummaging through bags. Bring multi-purpose items like a bandana. It can serve as a towel, sunshade, or even a makeshift first aid tool. With these hacks, your summer camping trip will be a breeze. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite camping hacks in the comments.